Welcome, no Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not already following me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Calibre. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fired up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. We got some Access Hollywood filming going on, Scott Evans. And we got D-Generation X. How you been, Junior?
Pretty good weather, humid, but pretty packed today.
The answer was you're not good, man. No announcements.
No announcements.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, everyone was saying today could be a day, but we did a little research, and last year the first announcement was Chucky on Halloween, but that was like a unicorn. The first announcement technically was
The
Last of Us, June 14th.
Yeah.
Do you think they wait to June 14th?
It's possible till June again.
So that's like a month from now.
A month from now, but I want it now. I want it now.
Oh man, so most likely we're gonna have to wait a month.
Oh, we're gonna have to wait. Sorry guys, we're gonna have to wait.
Yeah. But hopefully facades are progressing.
Well,
that's what we're here today.
Yeah, that's what we're here for.
Let's go. This is a sneak peek into summer. The summertime madness. So these are the wait times. The park is open till 7. Today's a Thursday. It looks like the crowds are at the lower lot. That's how it works. Everybody goes to the lower lot first and then just comes up, and then upper lot gets nuts. I'm always on the lookout for new merch inside the Universal store. First time seeing this one. Toonie Terrors. It's pretty cool. 40 bucks. 40 bucks cool. We got lots of ET merch at Hollywood. I just saw what the sign looked like over there in Orlando. I thought it was going to be a lot more grand, just bigger in scale, but hey, ET getting the love still. It's always a good thing. One thing to remember as well, this is the last week to watch the Fall Guy stunt show. He's so tall. We're friends. They got a Grad Bash cookie. The Grad Bash, they actually added like a horror night element to it. It's crazy at the plaza. Man, that looks good. We're back. Is there a facade in the Parisian courtyard? No facade. Nothing. What do you think, Junior? When are we gonna get a facade?
Probably never.
This is the first no facade house.
No facade.
This is the no facade house.
Probably never.
One project that is moving extremely fast and furious. This structure has been coming to life, honestly, in like 1 to 2 weeks. The progress that they've done right here. Wow. If you are lucky to do a VIP tour, this is what they're currently serving. Because dining or lunch is part of it, or dinner, if you get dinner. So much to choose from. And desserts is also part of VIP. Oh my Lanta. I think they got crepes going. You gotta do VIP one day, Junior.
I know, I'm hungry now.
For Fast and Furious, we really have 3 structures now. That one, this one, and then the new one right there. The structure that we know obviously has track, because we could see it, is right there. That has track at the top. What I'm wondering, is that structure going to have track? And is this structure going to have track for the roller coaster? Lots of workers out here. They're really trying to push on this upper lot section of the coaster. This is what the construction looks like on the hillside. Looks like focus right here is happening now. And then at the very bottom over there, also too looks like maybe digging over there as well. And then on the right side they got a construction map or something. Looks like a very busy day today. Are you ready for these crazy crowds, Junior?
No.
Wow. On the other side of the escalators, this is what it's looking like. Looks like they're going to be filling these in with concrete. That's just my assumption, but things are progressing. Didn't look like that last time we were here. For Horror Nights, this is what it's looking like. You know, we were here not that long ago, so not much progress at all. Some pipes and stuff still outside. This being white now, that's new. I don't know what that'll come of that, but that's what the facade's looking like for Mummy Maze. And in the far distance, we're gonna go down the escalator so we get a better look at the front of the facade. But what I can say is it looks like the walls have been painted black. And what that means in the Horror Night terms, details and just set design of what it's gonna look like inside, they're most likely now working on that. One thing I still see though is lots of wood out here, which leads me to believe something's not being worked on just yet. Is it going to be a maze coming to one of these sound stages? Is it the maze that's behind Transformers that they haven't started on maybe? I don't know. Lots of questions to be asked. If you're going to graduate this year, 2024, come get this photo op at the lower lot. Very cool photo op.
Farewell, my friends. Ah, yes, the earth is small. Farewell.
Just want to give a quick overlook at all the items that have come for the 60th of Studio Tour. Lots of merch. And I love a lot of this merch. Haven't decided what I want to get. The hoodie for sure will be on my to get list. And then I think that shirt or that shirt. We're in Production Central over here by Transformers. They got this beanie, old school Universal right there, 25 bucks. Thankfully, Super Nintendo World is just open, no reservation needed. Let's have some fun. I always like keeping everybody updated on how things are at Hollywood. They actually had the join wait list, and shockingly, there's tons of times. Right now it's about 1:15, but they had times from 3 o'clock to like 6 or 7. They had a lot of times, which is really nice because you could show up and actually dine at Toadstool. For the most part, reservations are just gone by 8 in the morning.
Yeah. You gotta reserve it by 5 in the morning.
So it's really shocking that there's reservations today, like right now.
Wait, it's tough.
Yeah. So shout out to Universal having dinings for people on the same day. So empty single rider. I think it might be a walk-on, Junior. I haven't done single rider in a while. Overall wait was about 15 minutes on single rider, so if you're willing to do single rider, consider it for Mario Kart. Just got off Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. Awesome. Had a lot of fun. I didn't do the best because I was filming, but that was still a lot of fun to ride. I feel like this sweater's new. 70 bucks. I have never seen this one, so new to me. 40 bucks, long sleeve. Always trying to keep an eye out if there's new Super Nintendo World merch. I have not seen this plushie. Just Thor's hammer right there. It's been more than a year that Super Nintendo World has opened. I feel like the land's holding up pretty good. Mario Kart's a lot of fun. The whole power band thing's a lot of fun. And let me tell you, people are buying merch like crazy still, so that hasn't slowed down one bit. Here we got a look from the escalators for Fast and Furious. Lots of construction now. You really can't tell from Minions up there, but they're getting ready to start doing stuff right there too. So this project is just full force ahead. They're trying to get stuff done. It's saying 60 minutes. I don't know if I'm down for 60 minutes, Junior. We're gonna go look at it. If it looks crazy, I don't think so today. Yeah, Express. But maybe Doc Brown's down there. We can at least say hi to Doc.
At least say hi to him,
Yeah. See what year he's coming from.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, I'm gonna say no on the studio tour. We'll be back out here sometime.
Next time.
Before we get on out of here, I wanted to talk about one more thing. This is the rock work for the new locker system for Forbidden Journey. The craftsmanship is awesome. It doesn't stand out at all. It just mixes in and blends in with the world of Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So you're no longer gonna get your lockers in there. You're gonna get your lockers out here. Before we end today's video, I do want to say we have a live stream tonight, 8 p.m. that will be all about Halloween Horror Nights and speculation and just having fun in general. So join that. I think we might even talk other haunt events as well, like Scary Farm and stuff like that. I guess Fright Fest for that matter.